welcome back to another video from my holiday series. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because I am posting pictures every day for this series on there. So I really appreciate it if you guys went and followed me on my Instagram. But anyways, today's look is kind of just this snowflake eye look. I don't know. It's fun. It's creative. I needed to do something fun and creative for my makeup today. I needed a little bit of an artistic creative outlet. I was a little frustrated with some things. So this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to get started on this eye. Clearly I have this eye done. I am going to kind of talk through this and chat with you guys a little bit. I apologize, there's no proper background today. I just literally turned on my camera. I need to get this video filmed and I just am not in like the proper mood today. Like I kind of want to be casual about this video, so I am going to be chatting a little bit, you know, and yeah, I'm just going to be chatting, venting, and doing makeup. So that's what we're gonna do today. But anyways, to start off, I'm going to prime my eye with this e.l.f. concealer. I am actually waiting for a new primer to come in the mail. It's probably not gonna get here for a while because it is coming from the UK. I ordered the Blank Canvas P. Louise base because they were having a sale, a Black Friday sale. So yeah, they were having a sale, so I decided to take advantage of that, and I really want to use that base, but yeah, like I said, it's coming from the UK, so I don't know when it's going to be here. Anyways, I'm just going to use this today. We're just going to apply that all over the eye. So I did kind of want to fill you guys in a little bit, because I know I mentioned been a crazy week. So today's Thursday. Today's actually been a crazy day because today was my first day back to like basically normal this week because we lost power Monday evening. So we had a snowstorm. I live in New Jersey, but I live in North Jersey, and the weather where I live, I swear it's like sometimes I feel like I live in like Colorado. The weather is just all over the place. We get way more snow than any other area in New Jersey. I feel like way more rain, way more wind, like just way more bad weather than anywhere else. And we also get beautiful weather, of course, like in the summer, but when it snows hard where I live, and we got hit really hard with the snowstorm. Okay, before I get carried away with my story, I am going to go in with the Colourpop Shes Rainbow palettes. I'm just going to take this color here, which I think is called Fine China. Okay, and I'm just going to pack that into my crease right here. Okay, but anyways, as I was saying, we got hit pretty hard. We got 9 inches, which really isn't that much compared to other storms that we've had. We've gotten way more than that, but the problem was the day before the snowstorm, so on Sunday, we basically had an ice storm. So everything got coated in ice, and then 9 inches of snow was dumped on top of the ice. So it was really heavy on the trees, and basically a ton of trees went down, a ton of branches fell, and there was like 18 roads closed in my town. There was a lot of roads closed, even major roads. Even like the one major road by my house had a huge tree down right across the road, and people were literally driving underneath the tree because people like had to get to work and stuff, so they literally like made like a path underneath this tree. I know it sounds like crazy, and honestly it probably wasn't the most safe thing, but it was fine. Like no one got hurt or anything like that. But yeah, things were crazy. So we lost power Monday evening from the storm, and we didn't get it back till last night. So basically it sucks when we lose power because my house, if I don't have Wi-Fi, I basically don't have service because I get like barely any service here. So it's hard to even talk on the phone at my house because you just keep getting cut off, and you can't really even go on like the internet, nothing loads. So when I have no power, I can't even use my cell phone. All I could do is text basically. So it just sucked. The dogs were all out of sorts. We didn't have heat for like 3 days. So the house was freezing, so cold. Luckily we were able to stay at my aunt's house, so that was good. I'm just going in with a lighter blue just to blend out the darker blue. So yeah, we were able to stay at my aunt's house, which was obviously, you know, great. You know, so we didn't freeze to death at night, but we were at the house during the day. Yeah, it's just like, I'm not complaining because I know things could be a lot worse. We've lost power so many times here, like we know what to do, but it's just really hard when you lose power due to a storm where there's like damage. Like there was trees down everywhere, so it wasn't even like we could like go out and do things, you know, especially the first day because I don't know, like it wasn't really safe to be driving. And it just was a lot with the dogs. The dogs did not handle it well. Well, particularly George. Lily didn't really care, but George like was having a hard time. He was just confused, especially when we went to my aunt's house. He was confused. My aunt's dog and him didn't really get along, so that was like a whole thing. And yeah, it's just been crazy. It did kind of push back my filming schedule for this series. So I'm a little stressed. I will still get, you know, every video done. It's just going to be a little bit more stressful than before because I had a whole plan and now it's kind of like messed up. But it's okay. You know, things happen. And I will say this, like, you know, a lot of people were complaining and being super negative about the power being out because literally like my whole town, like the power was out. But I just kept laughing. Like every time something went wrong, I literally would just start laughing because I was just like, really? Like anything else want to go wrong? Like I just was literally laughing. That's all you can do. Sometimes laughter is the best medicine and there's no point in like being bitter about something that you can't control. So yeah, today's my first day getting back into a schedule and routine, and yeah, it's been kind of difficult because it hasn't really gone well. I did another look before this one and I absolutely hated it, so I had to wipe it off, and I really don't have a lot of time today because I have so much to do. So I'm just like, I'm running behind, but I wanted to get this video filmed for you guys, so it's okay. It's not the end of the world. But I'm just going to go in my James Charles palettes, and I'm just going to take this dark blue and this black and just kind of mix them together. Yeah, I'm just trying to remain positive. I'm frustrated, but I keep telling myself things could be worse. So I'm just taking that black and blue and just pushing that into my outer corner. But yeah, things can definitely be worse. I mean, really, people have it way worse. It's just, it is hard though to have no power when it is winter. Like, it's one thing when it's summer because you could like go outside, you could like keep yourself busy, but when it's 20 degrees out and there's snow all over the ground and trees broken and all of that, it's kind of difficult. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So especially when you have dogs, like little dogs no less. I mean, I have little dogs, so they were not happy about this. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm okay, my family's okay, like no one's hurt. No one got hurt that I know of in my town with the trees being down. I just think It's been hard. I just feel bad for the little kids actually, because they already had like 3 snow days and it's only December. So I just, by the way, I just went in and took the blue that we used for the first blue that we used and put it against the black. Male ladies here. And then I'm going to take a light blue that I used to blend out the crease, and I'm going to pack that on the inner corner, but I'm going to kind of keep the this area right here blank. Alright, so I'm just going to take this pigment by Dose of Colors in the shade Disco. It's basically just a silver, like, glittery pigment. And I'm just going to press this right where that blank concealer is. I'm just going to take this Frosty White shade from the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia palettes. And I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner as like an inner corner highlight. I'm just going to go in with a black liquid liner and do a wing. Yeah, so on top of us losing power, right after the power came back last night, well actually we noticed before the power came back, my dog Lily was just not acting herself. She seemed like she just didn't feel well. And she does kind of get upset stomach sometimes, so we weren't like super worried, but we were just kind of like, you know what, let's just keep a close eye on her because she's clearly not feeling well. And then what ended up happening was when the power came back on, she got up and we noticed like she couldn't really walk. She was walking literally like she was like drunk almost, like, and her back was arched and she was shaking and just kind of out of it. She truly was just out of it. Not my Lily. So we were super worried. I was literally crying because I thought like something was seriously wrong. But we decided to wait it out and see how she felt today. And at that point all the vets were closed too, so like we couldn't take her even if we wanted to. And turns out she's totally fine today. I don't know what the hell it was. She was acting so weird, and then, you know, she comes back and she's just like, yeah, I'm cool, like I'm fine. I'm just like, what? I'm just gonna take a white eyeliner and just apply that in my waterline. Okay, and then I'm going to take the blue, I'm going to apply that on the lash line. I'm going to take the lighter blue and just blend out the blue we just used. And then I'm just going to take the darker blue and the black and just get that right at the lash line. So that's that. Now we're going to move on to the snowflake. Okay, so for the snowflake, I'm going to be taking my Hydro Liner by Suva Beauty. This is in the shade Space Panda. And you just need to activate this with water. You don't want to use a setting spray. You want to use just straight up water. So that's what activates these hydro liners. And I'm just going to go in and draw a little snowflake right above, right on like basically my brow bone. So what I like to do is I like to just draw a little X, and then you want to go straight down in between the X, draw a line there, and then on each point you want to just draw little lines going outward. You don't have to be perfect with this. Like, I thought I just messed this up, but honestly, I'm not mad at it. It kind of looks good, like, if you just draw, like, random little lines coming off of it. So that's that. I kind of want to do one, like, down here, too. So I'm just going to take my little brush. And I'm just going to draw like little stars on this one. Not stars, but like mini little snowflakes, basically. Okay, so once you have that, you're then going to want to take some little crystals. I got these on Amazon, so I basically just typed in like nail crystals, like crystals you could use on your nails, and all different ones came up. So I'm just going to use these, and I'm just going to apply crystals in the center of the snowflakes. And I'm also going to apply one on the inner corner as well. And I'm just using little, a little bit of lash glue to adhere the crystals. Okay, so I applied all the crystals. To finish off this look, well, to finish off the face while my lashes are getting tacky, I'm going to just take that highlighter that we used before, and I'm going to apply this to my cheekbones. And I'm going kind of ham with the highlighter because why not? I'm applying this highlighter all the way to the front of my cheeks too, because I want you to really be able to see it. Also going to apply it above my lip, on my chin, and I'm going to take what's left and do the tip of my nose. Alright. Okay, so lashes are on. For my lips, I'm going to be taking Bite Me Lip Liner by Morphe. So I'm going to take Can You Not Gloss by Dose of Colors. And that's it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I apologize if I'm a little like scattered in this video. I am a little scatterbrained today. I'm kind of all over the place, but I wanted to get a video filmed for you guys regardless. So I promise there will be better videos, better quality videos. I have to say though, I am very glad that I stuck through it and did this look because I actually really like it. I think it's just super fun and super cute. I was this close to giving up today. I was so close to just being like, screw it, I'm not doing any look today. I don't have time for this. I can't do it. Like, I was super frustrated just with everything that's going on, and I stuck through it, and I actually really like the outcome. So just a reminder to not give up, to keep going, because sometimes you never know. You may really end up in a good place, or you may end up loving the results of something you were working on, whether it be makeup or a project, whatever it may be. Don't give up. So that is my little message for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's holiday video. Don't forget to give this video a like, don't forget to turn on those notification bells, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.